Because your wrist needed Wi-Fi, I've created a to-do list cuff as a beautiful jewelry item with brass to hold it all together. And this is the video for how you can make one too. Hi, I'm Christine, and my channel is all about creating fun and creative wearable projects, things that you can make. I've also written a book about wearable technology, which is available at all good bookstores. Are you ready to wear productivity on your sleeve? Well, today the project is perfect. So what are the items we need to make the cuff? So we have our e-paper screen, which is the star of the show. And this is a tricolor screen. It's so crisp and clear. We also used a little ESP32. This is a C3 chip super mini. So it's really nice and compact. I did choose pink just because, but you can get them in black as well. There is also a battery charge board. This way we can keep it charged on the go if we do want to update it. I can just unplug it because it will still, just in case you don't believe me, I've unplugged it. The battery is not currently attached and it is still displaying our to-do items. Absolute winner. How does it all work? Super exciting. What happens is once you've uploaded the code, we have an application to go with it. So this is the iPhone application. All this is a simple web page that is embedded in the code. And so to change your tasks, all you need to do is update the tasks on your phone device. And when you update it, it's going to update on your wrist as well. Fantastic. Check out my other to-do wrist project where I took it to an oddities show in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. So there are a few steps to create this project. Some of the things we've done you might not want to do. You might want to just create a freeform bracelet without using additional tools. We did build the project in CAD first, so we used our computer design program to create the file. That way we could create this jig to place all of the brass in these inlays. So this was done with a CNC mill. Once we did create the file, I didn't create it, my husband did. I can't do that stuff. So he's created the file. We have written a supporting instructable about this as well, just so you can get a little more information. So as you're soldering the shape of your bracelet together, you do want to be aware of any rough edges that might need smoothing out. And the other thing is, when soldering, we used a soldering iron, but actually we were thinking to use a jeweler's one for a quicker, hotter heat. Might be a way to go in future. The important thing is we can replicate this bracelet now because we have got this same jig, which is fantastic. So we've used enamel wire in creating this sculptural piece, and that means there is no risk of shorts. So the enamel wire, we've used two different thicknesses. We've used a slightly thicker one for the power and ground, and then the regular data traces have got just a slightly thinner one. So enamel wire is a wire that's protected, and usually we just scrape off a little bit at the ends for soldering purposes. And then to help secure it to the bracelet shape, we've wrapped it around the little holes. So just through there. So that way you don't need to use the circuit on the back of this board. So here we've got the enamel wire. We are not using that cable that comes with the e-paper. So we are just using the pins. They are numbered on the back, so they do make it, this is from WeAct, and they do make it super easy. The only other thing that you will need to change in your code is just replace your Wi-Fi credentials. You can change the HTML, so how the web page is displayed. You have full control. It's just using a simple style sheet, embedded style sheet, so you can go in and change background colors and so on to match your own personal aesthetics. So that is the project. Hope you agree. It is super fun, super cool looking, and a little bit different from some of the things I've done lately.